Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer your eFootball mobile account to PC. Alright, let's begin. So, you might be wondering how to exactly transfer your eFootball mobile account here. Well, first thing is you want to go ahead and open up the eFootball mobile account that you currently have right now. And you want to go and click on the 3-bar icon you see at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, you want to go and choose the option here that says Data Transfer. And you want to go ahead and just transfer your account using either your Google Play account or your KONAMI ID. Here, I recommend you use the KONAMI ID. Once you click on Transfer Data Link to KONAMI ID, it should open up a new window. In this case, you just need to fill out some details in order for you to transfer your game or your progress into your KONAMI ID or link that. But once you've done that, you want to go ahead and just open up eFootball on whatever platform that you want to use. For example, we have Steam for PC games. So if you want to use this one, you just need to click on the Add to Library option here. It's going to say eFootball has been added to your account. Click on OK. Then you just need to go to your library and look for eFootball here. Install this, and once you've installed it, run the game. You can log in using your KONAMI account that you linked from your mobile. Once you've logged into your KONAMI account via eFootball on your PC, you should be able to continue your progress. So that's basically how you can transfer your eFootball mobile account to PC. And that's it for this video. If you find helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.